See, you have to take like this 4 block, 2 block back and 2 block front, and touch one knee here, and your toes will be down like this. Here, toes hanging down. Then touch it here like this. Then you can take again 1 block or 2 block, just support. Then toes up, and you can put your plastic bag or towel down. Then inhale, take it up. Exhale, you have to just press down and try to touch your right hip on the floor. Okay, straight. Don't go back, make the hip straight and just push down here. Inhale up, exhale, press down and just stretch down here. Be careful to the knee. If having sciatica, come down, don't do. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, you have to just stretch down. Okay, try to then again, take here 2 block or 3 block like this. Arrange 2 or 3 block here. We will do front split. Then 2 block in your hand. Throw 1 more block. And 1 block you have to take it forward. Now back leg will be 90 degrees straight. Touch to the wall here. Right, straight here. Mui chan lane 90 degrees straight. Then come up, touch your heel to the hip, and 1 block is forward. In that you have to take your heel, toes up. Inhale, look up. Exhale here. Stretch down, stretch down. If possible, give it back. Try to touch your head to the heel. Again, inhale. Inhale up. Touch your heel to the hip. Exhale, second round. Inhale, up. Then exhale, third round, this. So 1 time forward, 1 time back. So use 2 block, that will be more comfortable. Leg straight, move chin. Exhale, go down, push down. Try to touch your 1 hip down and take your head up. Touch your head to the feet. Make sure your back leg is 90 degrees. Inhale, slowly come up, hip up, touch your heel to the hip. Exhale, slowly down, push down. Now this time bend forward, straight down. Be careful with your knee. Be careful with your blocks, it should not drop down. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, hip down, then inhale, look up. Leg straight, try to touch your head to the heel. Little back bend. Slowly leg straight. Inhale, slowly come up. Touch your heel to the hip. Okay, 1 more. Exhale, slowly get down. Now both elbow down, or you can straight both hands forward and hold that. Kyutai suak or thantai, check if it is comfortable. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly come back here. Inhale. Side split, but both legs straight, height and tongue. 1 block here. You can check 1 block or no block. I first do without block. Take it here, feet, and touch to the wall here. Feet straight, toes up. Then here, exhale. Slowly, just take it down here. Stretch. Inhale, come up. Exhale down, push down, stretch. Here. Inhale up. Exhale will do only 4 times, and in the end, slowly just go to the side and press down here. Try to catch your ankle or here. Slowly come back. Okay, make sure that you are taking both straight. Okay, you can check here 2 block or 3 block, how much is comfortable. Sure. Inhale, take it up. Exhale, press down. Toes up. Inhale, take it up. Okay, one more. Exhale, go down. Now first everybody just bend forward, both hands straight. High heel tighten up or thumb tighten. Stretch down. 6. 5. Here like this, take the heel out. And just push it here. More chin there on the block, more chin on the block, so it will help not slip. So very press. You press more. And slowly bend forward.
Chị nằm được xuống.
More block. Then you will relax. Okay.
Đặt vào cái chân bên kia của một chân rồi thì làm được bên kia. Thì nằm cái ra ngoài. Đấy, cái này tao lên.
See like this, everybody. Chin back.
Này ạ, dễ mà.
Đây. Đây là nắm lên. Gấp chân. Đi một. Rồi. Take from here.
Gần nữa ạ.
Đây.